Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can set up the touch pad or the touch lock on your MacBook Air Pro or M1, M2 and M3. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, if you haven't made the touch screen ID on your system while the setup, so you can also do it later. How to do that? You just need to click on this Apple logo key, then click on system setting. Once you open the system setting, the menu options should come up like this. You need to look for touch ID and password here. Even you can search here touch ID, okay, and click on touch ID and password. Once you have opened that, I have already added two fingerprints here, so let me show you how you can add the another one here or the newly one. Just need to add finger. Okay, now put the password here, the admin password. Once you enter the admin password, place your fingerprint on your laptop like this and do it until it's completed. Just do it like this. Now it's ready. Now it's done. Okay, it's done now. The touch ID has been added successfully and you can unlock your PC and lock your PC while pressing this key. And if you want to remove it guys, simply click on the cut arrow key here and simply delete it. Okay, so I hope guys this short tutorial is really helpful for you and your issue is fixed. Hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.